How to create an account in your Roblox application in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can create a Roblox account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon in your Android device. And once the application appears, if you have not signed in or created an account, you will see an interface like this. Now in this interface, all you will need to do is simply click onto this create account button, and then the first thing that it's going to ask is your birth date. So simply enter your birth date, just enter the month, the date and the year as well, and then click onto this confirm birthday option. Then you will have this option of username, so simply choose a username. Also, it is advisable that you don't use your real name, and the username should be between 3 and 20 characters long, and it should only contain letters, numbers and an underscore. So let's type in a username that is unique. And as you can see, this particular username is available. So then if you want, you can also choose your gender if you want, and then click onto this continue button. Then once you will click onto this continue button, it might take a while to load, and then a Google prompt might appear asking you to create passkey to sign in to Roblox. So if you want, you can simply do that if your device allows that. And now you can see that you have successfully set up your account in the Roblox application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.